Hi everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. I'm a digital content creator, all-around creative, and I am a head wrap artist. And today I am bringing you guys a brand new head wrap tutorial. Happy Wrap It Wednesday, you guys. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do a turban style, something cute and something pretty simple to rock on a daily basis. So let's get into the tutorial. For me, for this look, I have to flatten out my locks. So I've pulled out my handy dandy stockings. Yes, stockings. They're freshly washed. Yeah, but I use stockings, or you could use, if you have a wig cap, that would be excellent as well. The purpose of us wearing this and flattening out our hair is so that we can have a flat looked turban. I hope that makes sense. But it's so that our turban can have a flat look. It doesn't have a whole bunch of hair all over the place and it looks disheveled. We want the wrap underneath, or our hair underneath, to lay flat. Those who have short hair and are baldies, this is a perfect head wrap style for you. So disregard all of this. So I'm just using my stockings to flatten out this hair. And then we're going to jump back into the tutorial. Alright, I got my stockings on. And as you can see, my hair is kind of laying down more flat. So that's perfect for this look. So, like most of our head wrap tutorials, centering our head in the middle of the head wrap. But we want to kind of make sure that this is covered. And I'm going to create this crown from the back. So we're going to tie once in the back. Right? And pull through. Make sure that both sides are kind of equal-ish. And we are going to twist on this side and kind of bring it around the head like so, right? And then we're going to twist on this side. It probably would have been smarter to twist them at the same time, but you know, I had to be difficult. So we're going to twist on this side, and we're going to lay this side underneath this side. And we're going to have this come around and tuck right here like so. Right? And if you have to go back and adjust anything, tuck in whatever needs to be tucked. Okay? And that is it, you guys. That is the style. Let me give you guys a turnaround. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we are putting out a new head wrap tutorial every Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alright, you guys, that is it. Please subscribe, like, comment if you feel led to, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye.